If I could describe in one word my NSTP experience, that would be fulfilling, because you know that you get to help other people from what you did, and you know that you contributed to the community. And I participated on the following activities during the span of my NSTP experiences. That would be the RRM and the 3 field works that we had for the whole school year. And I think the most memorable part was when we were crossing the river during our second field work in Antipolo or in Rizal. We forgot the exact place. We held tightly to each other in order for us to safely cross the river because of the slippery rocks on the river that made it dangerous. And we were only wearing slippers. And for me, the group of people who left a strong impression was when we had our first field work in Antipolo, Rizal. Or yeah, Rizal. When we had our feeding program that was last SEM. And the group of women helped us during the cooking time because we were aside in the kitchen. And I know that they were very eager to help us, not because they did it for us, but they did it for their fellow residents and for the children who will benefit from the food that we cooked. And my view of the world didn't change, and STP just improved it. That we should be contented of what we have, that we should feel blessed of what we have. That would be all.